Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovery Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today we are going to
tell you about taxes. In order for the government to run, it needs money. The government gets its money by taxing its citizens. Governments can get money in various ways, but almost every government gets simply by demanding a certain amount from its citizens. Money is called a tax.
taxes pay for all sorts of government jobs and services. Federal taxes help for national things like the president, the Congress, federal judges, and the military. State taxes pay for the roads and the governor. County and city taxes help pay for schools, fire trucks, and the police. Without the taxes, government couldn't run the country. It would be in chaos.
In ancient times, most people gave goods and services to a ruler instead of taxes. The farmer might give part of his crop. An ancient Egyptian might help to build a pyramid. All the way up to the 19th century, you could either pay taxes in cash or as a percentage of your grain or your fabric. Basically, with whatever you had. However, the rulers of ancient Rome collected taxes in the form of money. In the 1900s, governments, United States and other countries looked for ways to collect money without raising taxes.
There are all sorts of taxes that people and businesses have to pay. Income taxes are a percentage of the money someone makes on their job in the United States. The more you make, the higher percentage you pay. There are different types of income tax, including federal, state, and local income tax.
If you own property, like a house, then you probably have to pay property tax. There is often a property tax from the county and the city. Sales tax is placed on all retail sales. Sometimes items like food or clothing are exempt from sales tax. Every time you buy something at a store and they add on the tax at the end, that's the sales tax. Sales tax varies depending on where you live, from 1% to 10%.
Another tax that comes out of a person's paycheck is Social Security tax. This tax is meant to help people when they retire, or once you get old enough, you can start collecting a Social Security check.
Medicare tax comes out of your paycheck too. It pays to help people aged 65 and over who are sick and need medical care. Medicare tax rates are 1.45% for the employee or 2.35% if you make a lot of money.
The federal agency that collects taxes is called the Internal Revenue Service, which is the IRS. Each year, every individual and corporation has to file a report to the IRS called a tax return. It's basically just a bunch of forms that indicate how much you made a year and how much money you paid in income taxes. There are complex formulas calculating what your tax amount should have been, and sometimes people pay too much or too little. If you happen to have paid more than your fair share, the government pays you back after you file your tax return. U.S. tax returns for the previous year are due in the mail by tax day, which is usually April 15th.
Thank you for watching.
Adventurous Kids episode.
Stay blessed.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous